All right, quick reflection. Here we go. This project is related and kind of adjacent to the research I did about diversity and collaboration in the classroom. Um, I wanted to make something that I could use in the fall of 2020. I don't know what my groupings are going to look like. And so, just on the line of having a more diverse curriculum, I looked at my curriculum as a whole and I decided I needed to do much more work on teaching about the history of Africa in the fall. And so it's related to my research, ironically enough, because my research article was about African immigrant children coming to Italy. And I think that one thing that, at least in the US, we're very ignorant of is the contributions that Africa's made as the origins of humanity, hominids. I could go on and on, but I'm going to stop because I'm running out of time. This project is similar to other projects that I've taught in that I structure and scaffold how I use the technology. Padlet's not incredibly complicated, so I don't have detailed directions written out, but I do have a formative usage where I can go in and tell very quickly if a student knows how to use the tool or not, and then I could quickly teach it on demand. And then I have a summative assignment at the end that allows me to really assess student knowledge using the platform. What's a little different is that this unit is very structured around just looking at a topic, the students researching independently. I'm trying to back away from scaffolding research too much because then students will come up with the same answer and I don't want that. So instead I threw a bunch of resources at them and I want to see what happens. Looking at my growth and understanding of the ITSE standards, I decided to focus on just one, and that's the facilitator around using a platform. I think that I used to try to go in and do like 6 things at once, and that isn't really where I'm the most successful. I also think that this unit really focuses on global citizenship and having students look broadly at the world. And it might change where some of them have traditionally heard about the origins of humanity. So a lot of traditional ancient civilizations courses start in the Fertile Crescent in the Middle East with civilization. And I think that that is a colonialized European model, and we're missing the point. So I want to really focus on that globalization piece. And then this prepares students for their 21st century career because they are using technology to demonstrate what they've learned. They're learning independently using technology, and then they're engaging and communicating respectfully and showing digital citizenship. So that's that.